Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy 2-minute updo. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and I'm going to divide the hair in half from ear to ear. Then I'm going to do a regular 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom of the hair, securing it with an elastic band. But on the last turn of the elastic band, only pull the ends part way through to create a loop. And then just pin this on top of the head to keep it out of your way for later. Pop the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and then we're going to make a hole just behind that ponytail and pop a couple of fingers through. Then just pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through that hole we've just made to create a twist. Now release that braid and we're going to put our fingers in that hole again and take hold of the end of the braid and pull it all the way through the hole so it sits behind the ponytail. Now taking hold of the braid, I'm going to bring it over to the left hand side so it's going diagonally upwards, tuck the ends under and then just pin it with a couple of bobby pins at the top and bottom of that braid. Next we're going to put another elastic halfway down the ponytail, again only pulling the ends part way through to create another loop. And all we're going to do is turn this loop underneath and then continue rolling the hair until it reaches the nape of the neck. Then if you hold onto this little tube of hair with your hands, we're going to pin it on the left and right hand side so it stays nice and secure. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.